let me show you how to change batteries in your Blink outdoor camera. So first we want to remove it from a mount, so we can simply pull it off with a bit of force. And then as you see in the middle we have this one screw. So you can either take maybe like a coin or pretty much anything that we can insert in this slot like this. And then we simply need to turn this screw counterclockwise. So like this. So we simply turn it a few times around. And you see the back plate starts to come out. So and then use your fingernails, simply grab it and pull it away. I see you have waterproof seal here that prevents any water from getting in. So to remove the old batteries, so we can simply fish them out. And to insert the new batteries, also see they have polarity, so plus on this side, minus here, and on the other slot it's opposite direction. So let's insert the batteries. Okay, and then simply let's pop it back on. It only goes on one way, so see you have this, so it goes here. So you simply push it together, and then with, for example, coin, we turn it clockwise, like a few times, till it's shut. Okay, good luck.